Hello, Pfeiffer-Burleigh families, and welcome to the kindergarten virtual open house. Who would have thought that we would be doing this over the computer? Not us. We have a lot of useful information for you throughout this video. But before we begin, I would like to have us introduce ourselves.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Brown.
Hello, my name's Miss Achille.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Grapes.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Carlson.
And we have a fifth kindergarten teacher, that's Mrs. Stellwagen. She is on maternity leave right now, but she will hopefully be meeting all of you very soon. We have our kindergarten support staff with us today that would like to introduce themselves.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Johnson, and I'm the emotional support teacher for grades K through 3.
Hi, I'm Ms. Stahl. I teach English as a second language for 4th, 1st, and kindergarten.
Hi, I'm Miss Carr, and I'm the learning support teacher for kindergarten first grade.
Let me tell you about some virtual rules that we have for our school day. Remember to have your camera on so we can see your face and your mute on unless the teacher tells you. And please, please, please have all your materials ready to go.
So speaking of materials, I just want to show you what you're expected to have at home. You'll get 2 skills workbooks that you should have, skills 2 and 3. There's also 2 math workbooks. We have an instruction workbook, and then we also have a practice workbook for math. You'll have a knowledge workbook at home. And then you also should have a few other materials. You should have crayons at home. We use crayons a lot at the beginning of kindergarten. You should also have some cubes at home, and then a whiteboard with a marker. So if you don't have any of these materials, please tell your teacher. We can leave them in the Pfeiffer-Burleigh office for you, and then someone from your family can come pick them up.
We have so many exciting things to learn in kindergarten. By the end of this year, you will know all the letter names and sounds. You will be able to read words and even books. Here are some of the readers we will be reading when you get to school. We'll also be learning to count to 100 and read and write and recognize the numbers from 1 to 20. Our curriculum also offers 2 online components called Amplify and iReady. Amplify is for reading and iReady is for math. Both programs align with what we are learning in class and are specifically designed to meet the level that your child is on. Please let us know if you need help logging in. We can't wait to learn with you this year.
All right, and now we have reached the part of our video where we discuss attendance, which is very, very important. All students are to log in by 8:45 in the morning. We will be online from 8:45 until 11:50. So your students are required to be logged back into their classrooms at 1 o'clock after that 11:50 mark. During that hour and 10-minute time slot, it is our hope that the students are eating lunch and going on their iReady or Amplify learning pathways that Mrs. Grapes just discussed with you. Again, if you're unsure how to get their logins, please email the teacher for help. If a student is absent, you are required to email the school secretary. We keep track of the minutes that each child is logged on for, and those minutes add up to days absent. We love to see your child's faces, so please get them logged on, but if they are absent, send in an excuse. I know that this was a lot of information, and we hope that it was beneficial for all of you. We really appreciate everybody getting their students logged on each day, and we are so, so excited to eventually meet all of you in person. And hopefully that day will be soon. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to meet you.